Morning, afternoon, and night. It's CBS 42 weather around the clock. Brought to you by Southern Home Structural Specialists. Now, the latest forecast from the CBS 42 Storm Team.
And happy Sunday evening to you. I'm Storm Team Meteorologist Jacob Woods. We have another cold front kind of reinforcing some less humid air in here for us. The first one came through a few days ago. That brought the temperatures down a little bit, but still awfully humid out there. That's not going to be the case. As soon as you wake up on Monday morning, very comfortable, pleasant-like air in place. This improves and actually continues to become reinforced going into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I do think that it is going to stick around for the entire week. So that's going to be something that is pretty unheard of here in the final week of August, kind of wrapping up that dog day of summer type of period. We're getting treated with a treat here at the very end of the month. So for the dinner forecast, rest of this evening, temperatures falling quicker thanks to the drier air starting to filter in, down to 76 by 9 o'clock, 73 by 11 p.m. So I would encourage maybe dinner on the back porch or the patio this evening. Certainly good weather for that. No longer a threat for rain. That cold front already pushed through south enough that it's pushed the storms along with it onto the southern half of the state. So we're good for the rest of the day here in central Alabama. Clear skies, temperatures comfortable waking up Monday morning. Maybe places like Double Springs, Aniana, barely dip into the 50s. We'll see. You got a better shot of that coming into at least Tuesday morning and Wednesday morning, but then we'll see those overnight lows here around mid-60s for Birmingham and for much of central Alabama. So regardless which way you look at that, it's going to be much more comfortable than the lower to middle 70s that we're used to, of course, when it's also muggy as well. Abundant sunshine for Monday afternoon. One theme you'll notice this week is that fall-like pattern. Lower humidity means you get those cool mornings, cool evenings, but still pretty warm afternoons, but they are pleasant simply because the heat index is not getting into the lower to middle 90s, so we're going to like that a lot. Now, with the cloud deck pushing in here Tuesday morning, arguably could be just a smidge warmer than how we are on Monday morning, but it's going to feel pretty much the same. We'll just have a little bit of a different sky condition with those clouds passing through overhead. I do think we have enough dry air at the surface on Tuesday that what you see here is a bit overdone. I don't think a lot of this is going to reach the ground. We call that Virgo. We'll watch it closely and see if we can get the atmosphere to moisten up just a little bit to where this may lead to a few areas kind of getting some rain showers or light sprinkles that make their way down to the surface. If that does happen, it may actually put temperatures in the 60s for those places, as the model shows here, going into the middle of Tuesday afternoon and evening. So if that's the case, you're dry on Tuesday morning, and then your temperatures get up to around 70, 75. You may actually fall into the 60s for the afternoon, evening kind of heat of the day if some of that rain can make it to the ground. Regardless if it does or not, it is going to be a gloomier, overcast day. Looks like some of these rain showers that, if they do make it to the ground, could be going through the 7, 8 o'clock time frame, and then skies clearing out behind it. That'll allow for a very cool night going into our Wednesday morning. So temperatures even here in Birmingham, I think, could be getting into the upper 50s. Better shot for this on Thursday morning. So fall-like afternoons, maybe a 30% chance of rain on Friday. We'll watch that very closely. Some models kind of in disagreement on where we are with that at the moment. But as we look ahead to next weekend, looks awfully nice and comfortable. The lower humidity continues to stick around. Overnight lows coming up just a little bit, but still overall very nice weather as we go into early next week for the 1st of September.